Oh, hi, I'm Jon. There's one thing I want to get straight. I'm not trying to save the planet. When people say they're trying to save the planet, that just pisses me off. No matter what we do to the planet, it'll survive. We're the ones who are in danger. People. This is the scary part. Are you ready? The more people I talk to, the more I realize global warming isn't a problem. It's a symptom of a much bigger problem. This is called overshoot. Turns out you can go past what nature can give you the same way you can keep buying things you can't afford by running up your credit cards. But what happens if you keep charging and never pay off the Visa bill?
We're about to hit the wall.
Almost half the people in the world live on $2 a day. $2.
The math is simple, you know. Eventually, people are going to starve to death if we don't allow the human population to decline.
But what can I do, you're saying? I'm just one person. We must be firm and resolute. And, as in any war, there will be sacrifices.
Hi there. How you doing?
I wonder if I can return all this.